Oh, lovely Prague. I love coming out here, man. This is a beautiful city, I swear to God. How you all feeling? Does it sound alright? Can you just do one thing for me, Mr. Soundman, or the people at the front? Can you tell me if it's gonna go ting, ting, ting? Check this out. Toe, 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 toe. Is that doing it? Is that doing it? Toe, toe, toe. Yeah. It panned it all. Yeah, everything's panned left and right. There's no EQ. You got no EQ settings, nothing. Everything. Let me check the bass line. Let me just check the bass. Hold on. Okay, sweet. I think I'm pretty fucking happy. Are you guys happy or what? Sweet. Alright. Let's check something out. Let's do some beats. Let's do something like this. I got my eyes open wide to the ceiling. I'm lying on my back in the center of a room. I got a voice.